Hi guys, Daryl here. Easy cooking the New Zealand way. Caught this kahawai today, so I'm going to show you how to fillet it. Unfortunately, I don't have a very good camera angle, so you're just going to have to live with it. You're not going to see my face, but you will hear me. That's why I'm crouched down right now. So we'll get stuck into it. Got my apprentice here. Look, there we go. That's Paige. And she's got Charlotte. She's not in the shop though, but going to watch me fillet this fish. It's a decent sized kahawai. This would probably feed a family of 6. Now if you got this and a couple of potatoes and a hot oil, you just have some fish and chips. So anyway, let's get started. Got a boning knife, that's just to get through some hard parts, and obviously a really good filleting knife. It's a sharp one. This is Ford. It's a New Zealand brand. But first of all, you want to come in under this little fin here, and if you feel up in here, you can along the head, come along the head just above the gill plate, and there's a soft spot. So we want to come straight across. Oh, my hand's going to be in the way. We want to come straight across that way. So we'll give it a go and see what you see. But this knife here is really just to help cut through these hard. Come down through here. There's a lot of meat up in under this head, and a lot of people miss it. Now we're going to see what this kahawai's been eating too, which might help for future fishing trips. Then you got the what they call the poo hole. You can slit up there, or we can run along. This has been set in the fridge, so it's quite tight. Run along just on either side of this fin. Not easy on a stainless steel bench with a plastic chopping board. But you're trying to get 2 halves of it. It's going to start smelling if you burst its gut bag like I just did. We're going to see what it's been eating, but we're going to...
Is it a girl or boy?
We don't know yet.
What is if it's a girl and 7 babies?
Now we come to the filleting knife. You can get in there and get up over bones. Good thing with the filleting knife is it'll fold over bones. Then we just repeat the process. We might get away with just a filleting knife. No, we won't. Yeah, and that's the other side. Now that's a lot of meat. The apprentice is going to hold it now. We've got 2 of those to deal with. We'll do number 2. And I'll just get my apprentice to stand back, just because if this knife flicks, it'll tickle a little bit.
Tickle?
Look at that. Clean as a whistle. You can actually scale them and cook them with the skin on.
Still scales on it.
Yeah, I know, we're going to wash it. Now, the first side that I took off is not my good side for filleting, so I've still got the rib cage and that's basically the stomach cavity. The other side doesn't have it. But we just get the knife, you'll feel the bones, you just get the knife under the bones.
Hold it.
And I've still got a bone in there. That's cutting away that's the gut cavity there, basically the rib cage. There's a nice presented fillet. Now there'll be bones along here, just in the middle there. You'll feel them. They're So we just come halfway up the fillet and we cut down either side of that. And if you've got a cat, this makes really good cat food. I pull that up. So that, yeah, we don't want to eat because it's probably got bones in it. And just feel these ends. There's a little bit of bone in there. Just get rid of these bones. We'll grab the next one. So one whole fillet there. Look at the length of it. That goes up my arm. So you know you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 good eight good servings. You know, if you got kids, you're going to do smaller. So you could potentially feed, you know, a family of 8 with some potatoes and your cream in it. So that's filleting a kahawai, probably not the best way, but it's filleting a kahawai. So until next time, and if I can get a better angle and some more fish, we'll do some more filleting. But I'm a little bit worried about these sharp knives and my apprentice hanging around. So look, hold it up, look into the camera. And how great is that, teaching our young ones where our food comes from. Now this didn't come from a packet. This wasn't put in a box frozen or wrapped in plastic and sold at the supermarket. This was only swimming a couple of hours ago. And the taste difference for this is just, you know, we're blessed in this country. As you guys would know, New Zealand is full of fresh seafood and kaimoana and anything that you want to get your hands on, pork, venison, you know, we got it on our back doorstep. So as we come into summer, like I said, we're going to be making some good videos. We're going to probably do some barbecues on the beach later on, but with some real fresh fish, just caught and cooked. No promises, because I've got to be able to catch it first. But also if we can get some wild game or something, we might do some wild game dishes. So sorry you couldn't see my face, but I am talking to you. There's my apprentice. She can pretend to be me. But until next time, keep safe and keep cooking.